Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Today is release day for my crafting world designs, and it is August 1st 2023. So I'm going to show you what I am releasing this month. And the first set of dies I'm going to show you are birthday shaker plates, and it's got 4 plates. It's got little the music notes, it's got the little party hats, it's got balloons, and it's got the little noise maker. So you get 4 plates with this set, and this is the first one. I did not cut these out, but putting this in with your shred or your birthday gift, you know, after before you wrap it, it would be such a cute idea. So I am definitely going to use this. Now the next one I'm going to show you, I did not make an example for, but one of the guest designers did. So I am going to insert a picture of her project that she shared with me for the next die. So the next die is a gnome. It's a girl gnome mini album. And let me see if there's a glare. There is a glare. So there is the gnome, the girl gnome mini album. This is the outline. This is actually her little hat that you can, you know, cut out in different designs. She's got balloons, her little feet. This is her nose right here. And on the back, this right here is her dress. There's another balloon, her little hands, and these are her ponytails, and that's another balloon. And these are her ponytails, guys. This is so cute. I honestly just did not have time to make it. So Kim was nice enough to share a picture with me so I can show you guys what it looks like. So let me put a picture in there for you. Okay, so that was the girl gnome mini album. She is so cute, guys. She really is. And the next one I do have an example for. So this one is a butterfly treat bag. So this one comes with your base piece, and then you can cut out your butterfly with or without the hearts. So this plate is separate. It is separated from your layering piece. So if you want to put the hearts in there, you can. You do not have to. So then you would remove that plate right there. And these are the pieces for the bag itself. So for this one, like I said, I do have an example. And I made a treat box, a butterfly treat box. So I have on the back side, I have the box without the heart cutouts. So as you can see, you can do either way. This is just some pink vellum that I had, and I just put a little cluster of roses right there. This is a big size, guys. What size is this? From wing to wing, it's 7 inches. And then from the antennas to the bottom, it's 5 inches. So this is a really big box. So this is the butterfly treat bag. Let me see. Yes, butterfly treat bag. So that's what it looks like with the hearts cut out. And then on the back, I just went ahead and did the plain layer on the back. So you could see what it looks like with just the layer. Of course, this one's solid paper, but you can do any color, of course, that you want. And there is that little treat bag. And I thought, you know, I was gonna have Nicole make handles for it, but honestly, we can just cut some strips of paper and put a handle on there if we wanted to. It is a box, but you can add handles to it. And I just didn't think that another die would be necessary, because it's so easy just to cut a couple of strips and add it to there, or to the box. So that is the next one. Now the next one, again, I have an example for it. This one is a This one is the Ice Cream Mini Album, and this one comes with so many pieces. So you have your base piece that has the little holes for your binder rings. You have a couple of different options for the bottom of the cone, and you have 3 options actually. And then it does come with, okay, so this is your base piece for on top of the your first layer for on top of your base piece. So it does come with words, and the words are ice cream, sweet, ice, and cream. So this is another layer that this will cover the entire front layer. If you don't want your bottom layer to be whatever color, you can just use the other one, and then this one would fit inside. But it comes with sprinkles. It comes with the little actually this is a little spoon that it acts as a reinforcer for your tab holes, and it's got sprinkles. It's got the little long shaped ones, and then the circles, and then these are also reinforcers. And this is your ice cream for the top. You know, you can do chocolate, vanilla, you can do whatever you want. And this piece is another option for your ice cream cone. So it comes with a lot of pieces, and I'm going to show you my example. Now I am adding photos to mine. We took our daughter on a short getaway, and we took a few pictures, so that's why this one has the year on there. And I found this one at Dollar Tree. I just thought it was so cute. It went with this perfectly. So her favorite ice cream is strawberry, so that's why I chose the pink. And I layered this up a little bit, the cone from the bottom, and then of course the ice cream on the top. And I made it kind of small because, well, with not a lot of, I just put a few pages in here because we didn't take a lot of pictures because she got a little sick while we were out there. So I'm going to put pictures in here, and these are the reinforcers that I showed you. And here's the next page. Is I left this like this purposely because I'm going to use the ice cream top, the ice cream itself, and I'm going to cut the pictures out and put them on here. That's why I left this pretty plain. And then on the next page, again, I use the reinforcers, another strawberry ice cream, and I can still do the same, but I may do something a little bit different for this one. But that is my little ice cream cone mini album. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I just thought it was so adorable. So I didn't want to, you know me, I love boxes, and I didn't want to just put it down. So I made a little box to put the ice cream cone mini album into. So it goes in like that. Oops. It goes in like that. So I made the little box for the ice cream mini album. So just a plain simple box. Put a little ice cream cone right here, and these are the words sweet ice cream that come in the set. I used foam for the bottom, and then the blue cardstock on the top, and I just used stickles for it. My beads come from Happy Crafter Shop. So I wanted little feet on my box, and I didn't do anything for the back, but I just, you know, I just decorated the front. I used some of the sprinkles that I had left over, just to sprinkle on the front of the box. And that is what I did for my little ice cream cone box. And yeah, so I love that little ice cream cone. So that was my next one. And the last one I have to share with you is a caddy. This one is you can use it as a craft caddy, you can use it as a pen caddy. It's a caddy. And I do not have a tutorial on how to put this together, but Farr Studios, which is Tracy Farr, has a really good tutorial on how to put this together, and it is a pretty good size. So it comes with you know, all the pieces that you're going to need. And here is the little caddy that I have made. Oh my gosh, I thought that was so cute. So it's got 6 wells. Wait, yeah, it's got 6 and then the one in the center. I used a paper collection that I have in my stash for this because this is going to be in my craft room. I am actually going to use it. So here are here's the bottom, and you know, once you do your layering, like this is super strong, guys, with all the layering pieces. It is super strong. So I just love this little caddy. I really do. From side to side, it is 5 3/4 by about 3 inches tall. So, you know, I was putting stuff in there and I'm like, well, it holds quite a bit actually. So I am going to use this little caddy in my craft room. I may even put it on a little turntable, the ones from Dollar Tree. I may put it on a turntable so that I can go ahead and turn it and get to what I need to get. But there is my little craft caddy, and these little pieces right here, those are just little plates, like label plates, and you can use them either way. You can use it with that little hump up or down, and I chose down for mine because I liked it that way. So that is the craft caddy. I'm so excited. I can't wait to make more for other occasions. But yeah, there we go. Oh my gosh, I wish I had had enough time to make an example for everything, but I honestly didn't. But I hope you got an idea of what these dies look like when they're already made. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you later. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.